Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Check your Android model and Google Play version so you know what permissions and menus to expect. Backup contacts and photos. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging to access deeper settings. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Google Play and any Konami branded app. Make sure you note the exact package name. Do this quickly, because skipping backup complicates recovery. Prepare a restore point if available, and proceed to safe uninstall steps. Now act, open the app info, force stop, then clear cache and storage to remove user data. Revoke all permissions. Once done, try uninstall. If uninstall is blocked, connect PC and use ADB, a DB devices, then a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 package. Name to remove for the current user. After that, run play protect and a known antivirus to rescan. This ensures no residual components. Make sure to reboot and verify the package no longer appears in app lists. Finish by rebooting and confirming the Konami package is gone from the app drawer and settings. If you see errors or the app reappears, re-enable USB debugging and rerun the ADB uninstall command. If that fails, factory reset is the last resort. Ensure backups are safe first. Make sure to restore only necessary data, then watch battery and data use for 2 days to catch hidden services. Troubleshooting tip: if the app reinstalls, a linked account or device management policy may be reinstalling it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.